a fresher or someone who wants to start your career in tech and you are really confused which field to choose, how to start, where to start, then you are at the right place. So, hello everyone, I am Ujjwal Kant and today I am going to talk about the career guide, which field is right for you. So, let's get started. So, today in today's topic, I will be discussing about few topics that are few tech fields that are available in the market and how technologies and roles have evolved and future trends, salaries and demands, and most importantly, how to pick the right one for you. So, let me share one of my experience. Like when I was in my college, I was also very confused. Like, what are the field that are available? Which what field has the good opportunity? Which field has good salary? Which field has good demand? How to choose one and how to start? So, I think you might also be might have those questions in your head. So that is why I have created this video for you. So let me talk about some of the tech fields that are available in the market. So we have front-end developer, back-end developer, full stack developer, QA engineer, UI UX engineer, DevOps engineer, AI ML engineer, cybersecurity, cloud engineer, blockchain developer, and many more. So, but these are some of the few popular fields that are um, in the market. So let's say now you might have questioned that which field is right and which field to select and which field would be right for you. So let's say you want to buy one mobile phone and you have a need of mobile phone, and then what will you do? So you won't go and select that mobile phone randomly, right? So what will you do is you will research about it first. You will try it out. You will look for the available companies there are, their specification of the mobile phones. You will look for the according to your need, like what you really need it for. You if you need it for videography, if you need it for photography, if you need it for gaming, or you just need it for normal use, or if you are looking for something to store you know datas in it. So you will research it, right, according to your need, and you will go and try it out, and you will select one which you will really like according to your need, according to its features, according to its looks, and there would be a lot of things that might interest you in that mobile phone. So similar is with the tech fields as well, right? So if you are going to move into the tech field, then you need to first research about it, like what are the fields that are available, what each field is about. Let's say you want to be a front end engineer, then you should try it out, right? What are the tools and technologies in it, what the front end people really do in their day-to-day life. You should try it out, like you should at least create one small project, and similarly go for back end and others profile. um, Research about it, learn about it, try it out, create one project, and realize yourself, like what really excites you, what you really enjoy of you doing it, right? What you can really spend time on, right? So, and then you get your answer, like which field is right for you. So you might also have a question that if it has a good requirement in the market, demands in the market, and if it has a good fields, good salary, then what my answer would be, if you really are interested in some field and if you can really do good in it, then of course there is always demand, and if you are doing good, then you'll get a good amount of salary. It all depends upon your uh, performance. Like if you, let's say, if you go with the buzzword AIML but you don't enjoy it doing it, right? Then what will happen? You won't, if you won't enjoy it, then you can perform well, you can bring new things to it, you can add new, your knowledge to it. Then of course your performance will uh, degrade, and then of course you won't be earning well and you won't be doing it. So according to me, just try it out. Look for the one which really excites you, which you are really interested at, and then go for it. So let's also talk about the how tech has changed, right? Like 10 years ago the tech was really different, and in coming 10 years tech will be again totally different. So let's say if you talk about the languages, then 10 years back PHP was very popular, but now JavaScript and Python are replaced. uh, you know and then if you talk about the frameworks, jQuery used to rule front end development, right? But now React and Vue are very popular. And DevOps and cloud, if you talk about the DevOps and cloud, then those profiles were not there in the market. And but nowadays that's the buzzword. Everyone is talking about cloud computing, everyone is talking about DevOps. And um, in coming future there might be new things that might come and add to the list. There might be new buzzword. So it doesn't depends like what field is really going to be in the future. You just have to start with one which you are really interested of, and whichever fields that comes up you have to adapt it, you have to learn according to the market. If you and it's not that you can't switch to any other tech jobs. If you have started as a front end, it's not like that. You might switch in between, like let's say you are working in the front end and a new thing came like AIML and you are really interested to learn, then you can learn, and then you can switch in the company itself. You can uh, do for any other like profiles as well. So I have created some golden rules that might help you to pick the right one. So here are few things that I have mentioned. Like if you really love creativity, right, then you can go for front end, UI UX, or game development. And you enjoy problem solving, then you can go for back end, AIML, or blockchain. And also if you are detail oriented, then you can go for QA, DevOps, or cybersecurity. And if you are passionate about data, then of course you can go for data security, data science, or cloud computing. So whatever field, uh, whatever you realize for yourself, like what you really are good in, and then go for it. And um, just research on it, like, and try it out, create some projects, and just decide. So that's for it for today. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you really like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe.